I'm going to start off with an oven and grill cleaner. I'm going to try this first, and I'm going to spray this on to see how this clean it. So you can see the oven, how, how messy it is. You got to take out the different racks, and you can clean the racks too. And, okay, make sure you got to cover your face from the fumes from the oven. Okay. Have the cleaner. This is an SOS pad, sponge, and gloves to protect your skin, your hands. And if you want to put on long sleeves, if you think you're not, you're going to have some splashing. And your bucket of water. And if you want to get all the way back in there, you can probably use something like this. And it extends. It's right here. There you just get started. So you have a clean oven when you cook those good, nutritional, juicy meals for your loved ones and yourself. Okay? Now this don't come out. It's not removable. So, and you just lift it up and then spray. And then the sides and the door and whatever else. We're gonna You can like wait maybe 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Is up to you how long you want to wait. Let it sit and work, the product work. And it can be even overnight. You can let it sit overnight. So we're going to see what the oven cleaner did here. And also, you can use paper towels when you spray to cover up, the glass right here. You can also do that too, so it won't mess up the glass. And you can also put paper towel, newspaper or paper towel, or rags up under the sole, down under there. So when this stuff leaks, it won't mess up the towel, okay? So I'm going to get a few paper towels. Even though I got sponge, I'm going to get a few paper towels. And then we'll see how our product worked. In case I have to use some more. Okay, now this is the door. I'm going to start right here at the door. You can use that too. We're going to gently wipe. Wow, look up there. Wow. Now that's good. That's good. I'm impressed. So there's always like some tough to, stains that like sort of hard to get to. Have your garbage handy. Have a garbage bag or garbage can handy to put the paper towels in. And then even if we clean with a paper towel, you still can use sponge later to, do the rest. Get it really like clean. So as you see, it's doing a good job as far as on the door. And I'm quite sure it's the same thing in here. Can you come a little closer? Getting all that grease. Look at there. Wow. Now that is good. And I let it sit for maybe 15 minutes, maybe 30. But 15 minutes, it was still looking good. So this is really good. So this is a good product. But this is how to clean your oven. And make sure you protect yourself. Like I said, you might be allergic or you just don't want to, get the stuff on you, the residue on you. So it's coming off really, really good. And I'm going to let it sit a little longer. And then I'll finish it. And after I use the paper towels, then I'm going to use my sponge and water to clean the residue off from the spray. But as you can see, that is really good. And I'm going to have to get on my knees and like really get in there. And like I said, this is the extension where it can get in there and have to clean it too. Or I call some help if I can't do it, finish it. Get the rest of it. But other than that, I'm going to have a clean oven so I can do some more cooking. Because what was some grease wasted at the bottom. And so, the grease way stopped smoking and I don't like that. all that smoke. So to clean it, there you have it. How to clean your oven. All right. That's a wrap.